Hi, now we are going to see that how to install your font in your system. Okay, and this is also a basic thing. Okay, the font is without that you have to keep your text in a particular style. Okay, in a particular format, not about font, kept as a particular style. Okay, so to maintain that particular style, you have to download a font and you have to install your font in your system. Okay, so I just show you how to do that. Okay, share the screen. Okay, so you'll find that font over here. When you see that there is a list of fonts is there. Okay, apart from that, you have to insert, you have to download a particular font from any website or any you just found that this font will be suitable for your document or for your presentation. Find it's very good for that. Okay, you have to download a particular font. Okay, you just browse here in Google and just find free fonts. Okay, there are a lot of websites which provide that. See, I just found that 1001 free fonts. When I click it over here, I have an n number of fonts. Okay, 2 3D fonts. There's a lot of fonts is there. Okay, so they also charge you, and there is some free fonts also available here. Okay, so okay, these are the fonts. If I want to that billion stars, okay, I down see. If I want to download this particular one, okay, I just click it download. Okay, so I have to extract here. Okay, so these are the files which is available in that folder. Okay, you have to check whether it is a true text font file. Okay, that is TFF file, .tff. Do that, right click over the properties. It is found that .ttf. Okay, sorry, it's TTF. Okay, this is the format. Okay, and this file is the most important thing. Okay, what you have to do that you have to go and do the search for fonts in your system or in your laptop. Yes, just click the folder in your system, not in a MS Word. Okay, in your system. Okay, it will be available in the control panel, appearances and personalization. Okay, and there you find the fonts. I just do the shortcut search for the fonts. Okay, see here you have a lot of TTF files is there. This is the fonts of your system. This will be displayed over the MS Word. Okay, it's a very basic thing. The font, don't forget the font installation. It will not be done in an MS Word. That is not possible. Okay, it is based on your system. Okay, is that billion stars? Okay, I just do that copy or cut, whatever it is, Control C, and okay, so just paste it here. This is how the font has to be installed. Okay, billion stars, right? Stars. Yes. See, this is how it works. Okay, when you go for your documents, okay, I have to convert this bold text Calibri font into billion stars. I just check. For before that you have to check. Yes, billion stars percentages. We found that font over here. Okay, so this is how you have to install your fonts. Don't forget that it is the most important thing. And another most important thing is, if you install a particular font in your system, okay, and you done the documentation work, and if you mail or if you send a particular document to your another person, your boss or your co-worker or your friend, to anybody, okay, the same font has to be found in the system. If they found the same font, only they will read the document. Otherwise, default font will be available for their reading purposes. Okay, and for the purpose, you have to use the PDF converter. So that thing we will discuss later in the videos. Okay, thank you.